Snoring occurs when there is a blockage or narrowing of your airways during your sleep. Stop smoking. Smoking not only harming your overall health but also irritates the airways, and this can make snoring worse. The more you smoke, the more intense your snoring will be. Avoid alcohol before bed. Drinking alcohol before bed reduces the quality of your sleep and often wakes you up prematurely. Also, it relaxes the throat muscles, causing snoring. Do exercise. Exercise improves muscle tone throughout your body, enabling your soft palate and throat to maintain their shape while you sleep, helps in reducing snoring. Eat better. Avoid large meals late at night, especially oily and unhealthy food. These can upset your digestive system and make sleep hard to come by, in turn make your snoring worsen. Stay hydrated. The more dehydrated you are, the lesser mucus is to form in your mouth and throat, blocking your airways and making you snore. Treat your allergies. An allergic reaction may lead to congestion and blocked airways. This can make snoring worse. If a person's snoring is caused by allergies, getting effective treatment can help. Lose weight. Fatty tissue and poor muscle tone, particularly around the throat, contribute to snoring. Sleep on your side. Sleeping on your back is a risk factor for snoring, as it can position your tongue towards the back of your throat, thereby blocking your airflow. Switching to side sleeping is often the first line of defense recommended by health experts.